Hi everybody, it's Chris.
And Joe.
For Chris and Joe's Travels. Hey, we're at the Westgate Resort in Orlando, Florida. We're building 5,000 and Joni's going to show you a 2-bedroom walk-off. The first part is a 1-bedroom ground and the second part will be the 1-bedroom walk-off. So here we go.
1414A 1414B. You come in, it's wide open. And we come into the kitchen. Everything you need as usual. The amenities. They got all the dishware that you need. They have everything that you need. All the cookware. Your toaster, your oven, your coffee pot. And the coffee pot, as I always say, the grounds. And you got all your cooking. And a decent sized freezer, refrigerator, dishwasher. Come into the living area, dining room. And then that is the door to the lock off to the second. Is the living room. And you got a nice entertainment center, some storage. And then we got our nice closed-in patio. So this is the living room. We come into the master 1-bedroom. Like I said, it's a 2-bedroom because the other side is the lock-off. You have entertaining stand with plugs. Very good size room. And this nightstand, we have more plugs, is what you must for us. We have the jacuzzi whirlpool. And then the closet. Extra blankets. And the safe. We always say the safe is pretty good. That's how big the safe is. It would fit definitely a tablet or a laptop. Maybe a 15-inch, but nothing bigger than that. And this brings you over into the bathroom, a separate toilet area, and then a good double sink, and then lots of drawers and towels. Thing you need, and there's a hairdryer around here somewhere. And then this one has a nice good size 3-5-person shower. It's a family shower. It's huge. So that is the shower. And then when you come out into the front area again, then you have the laundry. So 2 full washers and dryers. Full size, what I'm saying, is not the small things. Then you come back into here. So this is the one side. And then this is the B. This is the lock-off part. So this is the second bedroom area. It's like a little apartment. And then this one has the top and bottom stackable, which is usually what we get, but they're fine, but you do have to make sure that you do small loads. And so that couch will turn into a bed. Then you have a little kitchenette, but it still has everything you need. It has a microwave, an oven, toaster, coffee pot. So this is if you just, same stuff, everything you need, just a little smaller. So if it was just 2 people and if all you had was a lock off, this is what you would do. And then this is the restroom. And then it has its own showers, good sized showers. And the sink. Everything's good. So this is the door for the lock off, so we just have to have them unlock it because they didn't unlock it yet. And then this is the bedroom for that. So good sized bedroom. Very big. Got your table there, Chair, TV. Got a closet with a safe. Extra bedding. You also have a closed-in patio, screened-in patio. Then tables have plugs. Always like that. Good sized bed. And then that door gets you into the bathroom. So this is the tour. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And let us know what you think and watch out for our other videos. Bye for now.